How to create a Telegram channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Telegram channel. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the pencil icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And after that, on the new page at the top you can see the option labeled as new channel, so simply tap on that, and here you need to enter your channel name. So for this video I'm going to simply enter Jatric Stinger, and after putting your name in the description box you can type anything about your channel. For this video I'm going to simply put it up as a trial, and if you want you can also tap on the camera icon to add a photo, but I will skip for now. And once you're done with everything, simply tap on the checkmark icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here on the new page, you can choose whether you want your channel to be public or private. A public channel means anyone can join, while a private channel is for specific people only. For this video, I will choose public channel. And once done, you can also create a unique link for a channel. For example, I will choose as Chatrix Stinger. And once you're done with everything, simply again tap on the checkmark icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now at the next page, you need to select the members or subscribers for your channel. So simply select the subscribers, and once you're done with that, simply tap on the arrow icon. And that's it. Now you have created a channel, and that's how you can create channel on Telegram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.